In this video, we'll talk about how do we factorize the quadratic function of the form x squared plus bx plus c. So what do we mean by factorization is we want to express it as product of two terms, okay, such that it will be like x here, 2, we write here x and x because of x power 2, and we need the numbers over here with the sign plus or minus. Now, what is the concept involved in doing so? So when we work on it, we look for two numbers, say here, in such a way that when we multiply those two numbers, the product is same as C. And when we use the same numbers, we get the sum as C. Okay, so for instance, if I say here it is plus, say I'll say here it is plus a1 and plus a2, then a1 a2 be such that if I multiply them I'll get c, and if I add them I will get b. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Okay, so for example, I want to factorize this x squared plus 4x plus 3. So what you have to do is you have to write it as product of two brackets. Now as you have your x power 2, the first term in both the bracket is plus. Okay. Also, as you see here, both signs are positive. So here it should be positive. So now we are looking for two numbers such that when you multiply them, you should get 3. The product is 3. So can you tell me which two numbers on multiplication gives you 3? Yes, it's 3 and 1. That gives you 3. There is no other possibility because 3 is a prime number. Now, we need to check whether we can write 3 and 1 here, means these are the two numbers that we are looking for or not. So, for that, we need to check that if we add 3 and 1, what we are getting. So, 3 plus 1, what we get? 4. 4. So, it means when we find the sum, we get 4, which is the same number that we need here. So yes, the required numbers are 3 and 1. You can also write 1 and 3. Okay, so we can say that the factors for x squared plus 4x plus 3 are x plus 3 times x plus 1. When we write it together, it means in between there is a multiplication sign. Okay, let's do another example. X squared plus 8x plus 15. Okay, so again, since here it is x power 2, so we can write it in two brackets. First term is x. Both the numbers are positive, both the signs are positive, so we write positive. So now we are looking for two numbers which gives you product as 15. So if you look at 15, you can write 15 times 1, that gives you 15. Second option is 5 times 3, that gives you 15. So you need to check which two number fits here. It's 15 1 or 5 or 3. So for that you need to find their sum first. So let's see, 15 plus 1, what you are getting? 16. Okay, whereas if you add 5 plus 3, what you get? 8. So if you look at your question, you needed 8, which you are getting from here, adding 5 and 3. So it means the required numbers are 5 and 3. So you will write here 5 and 3. Okay, so the factors for this question become x squared plus 8x plus 15 is equal x plus 5 times x plus 3. I hope it's clear now. So let's say we have another example, x squared plus 16x plus 15. So again we need to factorize it. Okay, so here x because of x power 2, both are positive, so here it will be plus. So in this case again we are looking for two numbers product that gives you 15. So it is 15 times 1 that gives you 15 and 5 times 3 that gives you 15. So we need to check in this case which number fits. So for that find their sum. 15 plus 1 is 16. 5 plus 3 is 8. So in our question we need 16, which we are getting by adding 15 and 1. So it means we are going for this option, 15 and 1. Okay, so we write the factors for x squared plus 16x plus 15 as x plus 15 times x plus 1. I hope now you can understand the difference between example 2 and example 3. Let's work on another example. So we are looking for two numbers for which on multiplication means product gives you 11, and when you add them you should get 12. So product for 11 being prime number, you know that it is only 11 times 1. So it becomes easy when this number is prime. So 11 plus 1 that gives you 12. So correct. So here you have 11 and 1. Another example, you have x squared plus 7x plus 6. So we are looking for two numbers which on multiplication gives you 6. So first is 6 times 1 that gives you 6. Second is 3 times 2 that gives you 6. Let's see what we have when we add them. So 6 plus 1 gives you 7 and 3 plus 2 gives you 5. But what we need here? 7. We need this. So we are going to select 6 and 1. So in this case, our factors become x plus 6 times x plus 1. I hope now it is clear. So the factors become 4x squared plus 7x plus 6 as x plus 6, x plus 1.